NGG Fresh Market, the foundation of your kitchen's success. We offer authentic African market produce, fresh, organic, and traditional. From farm to table, we bring you foods that build strong and healthy families. We sell energy-giving foods like cassava, sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, yams, and matoke. Protein-rich foods including local chicken, broilers, fresh eggs, beans, and groundnuts, and foods rich in zinc and essential minerals to boost immunity. We also provide fresh vegetables, fruits, greens, and spices, carefully selected for quality and taste. NGG Fresh Market operates a local poultry and mixed farm and proudly supplies homes, hotels, and restaurants with reliable quality and freshness. Visit us in the central and eastern regions of Uganda or order online. For weddings, introduction ceremonies, and special events, we bring the market to your home. Eat well, live longer. WhatsApp us on 0778 002 046. NGG Fresh Market, the foundation of your kitchen's success.